right after the canopy collapsed in Terminal 1 of Delhi Airport. The flight operations have now resumed. That's the update that is now coming in as far as unfortunate deaths that have also been reported in this incident. The beam along with the canopy that collapsed, that damaged the cars and led to narrow escape for others as well. But there were unfortunate deaths that have been also reported. Delhi Airport in the meantime has also released a statement when it comes to resuming the flight operations. All of the operations yesterday at Terminal 1 were suspended for the time being owing to this collapse that had been reported. We saw the new minister himself also reaching the spot, taking stock of the situation, and he's ordered an inquiry into the same. But there have been unfortunate deaths that have also been reported. Let's talk about the statement that has been released on part of Delhi Airport. Yes, Meenakshi.
Well, yes, Amita, and we'll be playing out that statement for our viewers very shortly. So that statement has been released by the Delhi Airport. Now, what the Delhi Airport says in that statement, that statement basically of Delhi Airport, if we could take it on air as well, that statement by the Delhi Airport which has been released basically talks about how the flight operations have resumed normally. That statement, of course, we'll be taking on air as well. Statement basically states that all the flights which were operating from Terminal 1, because the collapse had happened at Terminal 1, those flights have been diverted to T2 and T3. The flights have been diverted to Terminal 2 and Terminal 3. That statement also is, with us. That statement, again, I'd like to reiterate, has been given at 8:30 a.m. Flights which have been operating from Delhi Airport are normal. That is the update which has been given. They are operating at the moment from Terminal 2 and Terminal 3. All flights from Terminal 3 have been shifted to Terminal 3 and Terminal 2 as well, and obviously the website of the Delhi Airport has all these updates which we are talking about also at the moment, Amita.
All right, so this is the important bit as far as the operations are concerned. That means it is still not operational as we talk about Terminal 1. As when it comes to the flight operations at the Delhi Airport, they are normal and operating from Terminal 2 and Terminal 3. This is important to note as far as Terminal 2 and Terminal 3 are concerned. They are functional, they are operational. All of the flights from Terminal 1 have been shifted now to Terminal 3 and Terminal 2. That's the update, the statement coming on part of the Delhi Airport. Remember, all of the flights that mean at Terminal 1 still continue to remain suspended, but the operations have been functioning normally at Terminal 2 and Terminal 3. As far as we are looking at the flight operations that will be now shifted to the other terminal.